Okay, so yes, we've been talking about collaborating and networking all month. And I get it. It can be a roller coaster, but guess what? It does not have to be. It's some common pitfalls that you can actually avoid and not deal with the up and down altogether. Guys, the very first pitfall is unclear expectations. That is like the absolute worst. You're pretty much saying whatever happens, happens. How can you ever measure if it's successful collaboration or anything like that? You can't, because you went into it with no real expectations. Don't do that. Your other ones are goals not being in alignment and the miscommunication. Guys, these are things that can actually sink your ship. You guys want to make sure that you're setting a strong foundation from the get-go. And if you're looking to avoid the choppy waters and all of the nonsense, guys, I'm doing a free training this Friday inside my free Facebook group and showing you exactly how to build these partnerships and collaborations in a successful way so that you can keep on doing them and also build long-lasting relationships. All you got to do is comment the word group below this reel, post, short, whatever it is, and I will send you the link so that you can join my free private community and get exclusive training such as the one that's coming up on Friday. Hope to see you there. Bye, guys.